the day after Christmas. Okay. It's the day after Christmas. Madison has a doctor's appointment for her 3-year and to get some shots so she can start preschool. So her appointment is at 10:45. It's 10:03, so I need to go because just in case there's traffic. So you want juice? I'm gonna get her some juice. Say good morning. Are you ready for your appointment? All right, let's go. I'm bringing Destiny with me. So let's go. This is not going.
Why not? You can play LOL doll with me.
This child is not doing good.
Can I sit on the bed? No, sit on the bed.
How you feeling, Mama? Hey, boo. How you feeling? Good? Oh. So stylish. Can you do what's in your purse?
Sure.
So,
Hey.
do we need to go somewhere else with lighting, or how about over here? I think this would be a better space. Right here.
Go.
Go ahead.
In this first pocket is my money.
And the money.
My receipts.
You have a lot of money.
Yeah. In my cash. They have keychains.
You got your keychain.
Then I have, there's chocolate in there.
Chocolate.
Oh, there's trash. More trash.
More trash. Oh wow.
This.
Oh,
What's
candy.
And they have $10.
Oh, more money. You need a little purse.
And that's it. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Oh, I think that's it. No. I have these little mini figures. They're pop figures, but they're tiny.
Okay.
Doctor Strange, and I don't know who that is.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's it? It was puffy. Thought there would be more in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go put your garbage in the trash.
Thank you very much.
So we're home. We've been home for a little bit. I'm not feeling the greatest. So Rob is doing my my dinners tonight. He's outside grilling because it's like really nice outside. Usually today's the day I take down all the Christmas decorations and stuff, but as you can see, my tree's still up, and I still have wreaths on the outside of my house, which probably won't get tackled until probably after the weekend. A lot of people ask me why don't I keep it up until after the New Year's, and I'm just, after Christmas and after everything's over, I just feel the need to just strip my house and have it just be bare for a little bit and just enjoy just the simpleness of my house instead of having stuff everywhere. I just feel like Christmas, even though I love the decoration and it's beautiful and it's just, you know, pretty to look at, after a while it makes my anxiety really, really act up, because I feel like my house is cluttered and I feel like stuff is just like, oh, I just need you know. But Madison got all her shots today. She didn't do so good. She screamed, and I don't think the nurse really liked her because she wasn't trying to cooperate with her. And when she go to stick her, she just was just back to back. And I'm just like, I wanted to cry because of the way she was looking at me. But yeah, but Robin's making dinner. He's making jerk chicken. He's doing jerk chicken on the grill. It's really nice outside. And we have a ton of leftovers for sides and stuff. So that's what... Okay, baby. And then tomorrow, I don't have anywhere to go. So hopefully I can get the house like fully deep cleaned and get as much of the inside stuff packed away. Depending on how I feel. Because like I told you guys, I'm not feeling the greatest. And I need water, so let me go get some water. What are you doing? You plugging in all the lights? Yeah. Okay. That's it. There are no more lights down here. Do you have to pee pee?
No.
No. Are you gonna clean up your mess?
No.
No.
My Barbie.
Where's your Barbie? Outside?
No,
In the car?
Yeah.
Okay, tell Sissy to go get your Barbie out of the car, please.
My Barbie.
Oh, it's in the car. My Barbie. You know, it's winter. It's winter time when chairs are all put away.
Really young because they're just taking such better care of their body. What's up, Angel? Papa Swolio, my lady and I disagree on something. I say you should hit abs and face pulls every... What's the real question?
Cool.
That you should do it every day?
Yeah, that
she
feels
said
good
no.
out there.
What do you say?
I'm free.
I don't... Doesn't mean that you should. It depends.
Work me, why don't you?
You know, you're facing the group. That you're doing it. You do a little something every day. So back, so make it a little more tolerance. Like I can do abs right here. I'm always barefoot.
Okay, so trash go out tonight. So we have this. I think that's recycle. Ooh, so tomorrow is usually our trash get picked up on Thursday, but because yesterday was was this lean. I hate when stuff is lean. It pisses me off. Usually trash go out on Thursday, but because yesterday was Christmas, it goes out tomorrow. So all of this is wrapping paper and toy boxes. This is, I believe, actual trash, or the kids might have stuck that in there thinking it's trash. So yeah, we gotta put this out. Jason and Jordan. Jason, don't play with me, boy. Don't play with me. Where's your brother? Trash needs to go out. Trash, dude.
Okay.
Thank you.
Put it in the front?
Yes. So do it now before it gets too late. It's not cold. You just need your shoe. Yeah. Tie. Make sure you tie the bags up properly. Okay, Jason. You got it?
Got it.
Your face doesn't say I want to do anything, sir. You might want to readjust your attitude a little bit.
No. Okay.
Huh? You have something to say, Jason? No. No? Okay. All right.
face.
Got something to say, Jason? Huh? You don't want to do your chore? You want me to get Daddy? Nope? Oh, okay.
Hello.
Make sure you close the lid on the cans, okay? If they can be shut.
If all of them can't fit in it, can we just put it next to the trash can?
Yeah, you can put it next to the trash can. You heard me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Close bin, and you put it next to the trash can.
All right. Thank you. So everyone just had dinner, and I just took something with cold release something. The other option was one with caffeine, and I'm not trying to take any painkiller with caffeine right now. I'm gonna go try to work on a intro because the one I had prior to Vlogmas is old, I believe. So I'm trying to work on a new intro for the new year. So I'm gonna go do that and then throw this up and give it to you guys. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know this video is all over the place, but not feeling the greatest. And I'm trying to give you guys a video every single day for 2020. So I'm pushing myself for the end of the year, even though I don't feel the greatest. But you have to push through whatever it is that you're feeling in order to meet your goal. Just remember that. Push on through it. Whether or not you feel like it, push through it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And come on Sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.